Yo, let's go with y'all. We got the AirPods today, doing it a little different, but today it's first time officially full time. So I'm really taking advantage of this opportunity. Been back testing a lot yesterday, and today we're gonna use the Trade Locker platform. I'm still using TradingView, but today I just wanted to, just trade on a different platform. Why not? And I really like the charts on here. I took the time to execute my top-down analysis on Trade Locker. So I'm just gonna go ahead with that. It's more fresh, it's more updated. And so yeah, let's start off with EJ because it's the ugliest one right now. Just want to give y'all like the insight of what I'm looking at and then give y'all a Sunday's breakdown. So I owe it to y'all. I definitely do. So let's get straight to it. EJ, first thing I'm looking at on the daily time frame. Well, first of all, it's ugly. I already mentioned that ugly. Daily time frame, ugly. But we came from this bullish swing to the upside, and you can see that on the 4 hour. We were bullish, obviously, but now as we came back down into this area of previous support, also resistance area, and this is also a major key level at 153, 163, 150. Um, I'm just really eyeing as to how it's playing as an area of support. We've had three major rejections, one right here, two right here, three right here. Last night I expected a bullish transition to the upside based off this higher low, and we did initially go bullish, but then it came all the way back down to that area of support. So I mean, um, I'm chilling, and initially I did think this was a break out because I was on the smaller time frames. But once you kind of look at the 2 hour and the 4 hour, it doesn't really seem so, especially the 4 hour. But 2 hour, you kind of see it looks like a breakout, but you have a lot of wick on the upside. And as soon as this closed, it followed up with a bearish candle, basically closing beneath or right at this area of, resistance. So did I say ugly? Yeah. So that's that. I'm chilling off of this for the time being until we get some sort of like, decent structure. Uh Gold. I actually like gold. For today, I was looking at potential opportunity. Did it just drop? Oh, okay. So I'm looking at potential opportunities. We are bullish on gold on the overall daily time frame. And I do have my targets all the way up here at negative 0.27% on the fib. I did draw two fibs, one from down here, point A, point B, and then point C. And then I drew another one earlier this morning from point A, point B, and expecting that point C reversal somewhere down here. So we can get this eventual move up here. And with how gold moves, I'm assuming that it will surpass this projected area. Traditionally, I have a target for gold, but then it just completely squanders that TP and just goes way above that or below, depending on the circumstance. So I'm expecting it to go bullish within the next few either hours or days. It doesn't take gold too long to really make a move. So it's just a matter of time. Then again, it's not 9 o'clock yet, and that's when a lot of volume comes into the market. So that's good to know. But yeah, on the 30 minute, all I'm seeing is exhaustion, just paying attention to that. And those are just potential signs that we're slowing down from a bearish standpoint, and we could potentially be going bullish very, very soon. Just a matter of time. And yes. So oftentimes this correlates with GU. So I'm gonna go straight to that. Which GU, I'm basically looking at a very similar bias where we're bullish. And as of right now, it is taking a bearish pullback. I did draw a fib from point A, point B, point C. Yesterday, it was within this little chamber, resistance support, pretty much ranging, and it did escape of that as we had this lower high. Um, And then yeah, just headed down after that. Um, just noticing this, and back there. Man, this going bullish. I'm just telling y'all straight up. Just like gold, it's 95%, 98% sure this is going bullish in a matter of days, hours or days. Maybe a day or two. But I'm definitely bullish behavior for sure. Let me draw this area so y'all see this. We're gonna come right back to this. We're gonna come back to this, and I don't want y'all to say, no, he didn't say that. He didn't say. So I got the arrow right there. Yeah, man, I like this. I like this. I like this a lot. So yeah, this GU, and then last pair I want to get is this ugly pair and UJ. Now UJ is not an ugly pair overall, but right now it's ugly as hell. Like it's one of my favorite pairs. Right under gold, but right now, I mean, it's chopped. It's chopped. I'm just gonna go back. I don't know why I did that, but yeah, it's chopped. So, um, yeah, bullish initially, and then it broke that trend line, and then created a lower high right here. It's a lot cleaner on the daily. I tried to put the 8 hour time frame on here, but for some reason it just wasn't working out. So it is what it is. We're just gonna have to rock with the 4 hour and the daily. Those are just major shifts in time frames because it goes from this, which I mean, structure looks decent. I can kind of get a decent picture with 4 hours. Just like, damn, it's so drastic. So I'm like, I'm gonna stick to the daily for now. I mentioned that we have a lower high right here, arrow, lower high, exhaustion right here, and we're also underneath the moving average. Cool, 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 cool. Both moving averages. Yesterday I implemented the 40, I mean 30. It was 40, now I changed it to 30 EMA, and then I have the 50 SMA, the OG. Um, so yeah, overall we're bearish, but still I'm eyeing this area of support that we do have right here. So it's multiple things that we're factoring in when it comes to this market. Like I really want to stay on the daily, but at some time I'm gonna move to the 4 hour. It just doesn't look appeasing. Like man, not at all. Especially like right here. But we do have that lower high I mentioned coming down here. It's been struggling to break above. As you can see, it's tried multiple times. So we're just gonna have to see. It could close like this. Uh, Got 22 minutes when I look at trading view. 22 minutes for the 4 hour to close. So yeah, nothing major. We're just gonna wait. We're gonna sit on our hands. And yeah, bro. Something that I've learned within the honestly since high school, sometimes you just gotta sit on your thumb and just let things happen. Straight up. Um, and that's just what it is. Like, if you never sat on your thumb, bro, what are you doing? A lot of times it just neutralizes that impulse that you just have. Sometimes if we just feel that impulse to just do and do and alter this, change this, and mess with this, but you gotta neutralize yourself sometimes. You gotta relax. You gotta sit back, analyze, strategize, and then come forth and make your move and make your mark from there. So today, the major thing that I'm really looking at is gold, considering um how fast it likes to move. Like we're already getting these major rejections. I'll be on the 15 and 30 minute time frames constantly. GU hasn't really given me those signs yet. That is, it may get something erupting today, honestly. Maybe the start of something. If it does, like, break above these key highs, like here, or let me move to the 30, or like here, something like that. Like those are the highs that I'm eyeing to see if price will break, because those will give us our potential signs for that eventual bullish move. But yeah, sitting on our thumbs and waiting. We're exercising patience and delayed gratification for the eventual move. But yeah, I got a day ahead of me, so I'll leave y'all with that. Y'all enjoy your day, or if you don't enjoy it, at least make it productive. Productive day and a busy day is a day not wasted. I always say that, and I mean it. So I'll catch y'all in the next video, and peace.